everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful and easy crochet bookmarks. It is crochet flower bookmark like this. Let me show you. I have this kind of scrap yarns and I will use these colors for this crochet flower bookmark. For this project I'm using 3mm hook and we need a scissors to cut the yarn. We will start by making this green part and then we are going to make the flower. We are starting from this edge. We are starting by making a slip knot firstly. And then I am making 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I am inserting my hook in the first chain like this. Yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. I have a small ring like this. Now I am making 1 chain. After making 1 chain, I am making yarn over, inserting my hook in the ring, and I am making a double crochet. I am making the second double crochet. I am making the third double crochet. Now I am going to make a triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 2 times yarn over I am making. Now I am going to make double triple crochet. Inserting my hook in there, I am making a double triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 times pull through I am making. 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook again in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook again in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4 times pull through. 1 time yarn over, inserting my hook again in the ring. Now I am going to make 3 times triple crochet. This is 1 time triple crochet. This is second time triple crochet. And this is the third time triple crochet. Yarn over. I am going to make 3 double crochet. This is 1. This is 2 and this is 3. I am inserting my hook in the ring and I am making a single crochet like this. Now I am going to insert my hook again in the ring and this time I am going to make a slip stitch. After that I am going to make 45 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, I am making 45 chains. I made 45 chains like this. After that, I am making 3 more chains. I am keeping my hand here in the 45th chain and then upon this 1, 2, 3 chains I'm making yarn over, inserting my hook in the 45th chain, making a double crochet, making another double crochet, inserting in the same stitch. This is double crochet 2, inserting my hook again in the same stitch. This is double crochet 3. Now I am making 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, inserting my hook again in the same chain stitch, making 3 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now I am making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting my hook in the same chain stitch, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. Now I am inserting my hook in the following stitch. Let me show you. Like this, in the following stitch I'm inserting my hook, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain. We are finished with this green color. For this reason I am going to cut the yarn like this. It's been like this. Later on we are going to hide these yarn ends. I will show you. After that we are going to make this flower. For the flower I am taking the pink yarn in my hand. First of all, I am making a slip knot like this. After that I am taking the green part in my hand, not from here, from here. We are starting for the flower. I am making yarn over, I am inserting my hook in the center. I am going to make a triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. 3 times pull through we are considering this as the first triple crochet. After this one we are going to make 9 more triple crochet. I am making yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space, making a triple crochet. It's been 2. Yarn over, inserting my hook in the same triple crochet, 1, 2, 3. Let's count how many we made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to make 5 more triple crochet. This is 6. This is 7, 8, 9, and 10. Making 1 chain and taking the loop from the hook. I am not cutting the yarn for the moment. Let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have now 10 triple crochet. Now I am taking my yellow color in my hand. First of all, I am making a slip knot like this. After that I am starting from the right side again, inserting my hook in the first stitch like this, and making a single stitch, making 1 chain, going to the following stitch, making a single stitch, making 1 chain, going to the following stitch and making a single stitch, 1 chain, going to the following stitch, inserting my hook in there, making a single stitch. Like this we are coming to the other side, making a single stitch, 1 chain, inserting my hook in the following stitch and making a single stitch, 1 chain, going to the following stitch, making a single stitch, 1 chain, inserting my hook in the following, 1 chain, like this, going to the following stitch here, making a single stitch in there, one chain, going to the last stitch and making a single stitch, making one chain, and we are cutting the yarn like this. We are finished with the yellow color. We will go on with the pink color. I am turning to the other side, taking the loop on the hook again. I have already made one chain. After turning, I am inserting my hook in the first stitch. One moment, like this, making a single crochet. Now I am going to make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inserting my hook in the following stitch, making a single crochet. I am making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to the following stitch here, inserting my hook in there, making a single stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to the following stitch. This stitch is that we made one chain with yellow color, dear friends. I am inserting my hook in there, making a single stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inserting my hook here in the following stitch that we made one chain with yellow color, making a single stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am inserting my hook in the following stitch, making a single stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inserting my hook again in this stitch. This stitch is that we made one chain with yellow color, making a single stitch in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again inserting our hook in this stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inserting my hook in the following stitch, making a single stitch in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inserting my hook in this stitch, making a single stitch in there, making one chain, inserting my hook in this stitch, in the pink one here, and yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, making one chain, and then cutting the yarn. It's been like this. Now I am going to show you how we are going to hide this yarn end. For this, I am taking a small size hook in my hand. It is easier to hide the yarn ends with small size hooks. And this is the back side, this is the front side. I am hiding the yarn ends from the back side. And which color I am hiding? I am making pull through the yarn end in the same color. For example, now I am hiding the pink color. For this reason, I will hide the yarn end between the pink stitches, like this. One moment. This, yes. Once again, I will make the same thing from the opposite side in order to fix it well. One moment. And I am cutting the yarn end. And once again, I'm going to show how I am going to hide this yarn end for the green one. It is actually the same. Meanwhile, this is the yarn end that we made 6 chains when starting this. For this reason, I am pulling tightly in order to make this circle small. Later on, with the small size hook, I am hiding. If you cut the yarn ends longer, you can hide these with the darning needle as well. But since my yarn ends are short, I am using a small size hook. It is easier for me. Same thing I am making. Like this. I am hiding it from the back side through the stitches. There is only small yarn end left. I am just cutting it like this. One moment. Yes, the others we are hiding in the same way. Once again, for the beginners, I'm going to show for the yellow one what we are doing. Through the yellow stitches, we are going to make the yellow yarn end pull through. Inserting my hook through the yellow stitches and pull through. One moment. Like this, pull through. Once again, inserting my hook, yes, through the yellow stitches, okay. Now I am cutting the last yarn end. Okay, we are hiding the others in the same way, dear friends. Meanwhile, I want to show you here how we are going to make this circle smaller. This is the yarn end you see. I will hide this yarn end through this side. Like this. I am pulling, and then from this side. Like this, and I am pulling. You see, it's been small. Okay, now I am cutting the yarn. You see, I made this circle small like this. Okay, dear friends, let's hide the other yarn ends and let's finish this beautiful crochet flower bookmark. Yes, I cleaned all the yarn ends. It's been like this. Now I have a beautiful crochet bookmark now. It is really easy, dear friends. In one day you can make many. You can also make this as a gift project, or you can use yourself. It is really beautiful. Okay, dear friends, we came to the end of another project with you. Hope you like this project. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. I will be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and if you like this video, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.